slice it. It's a gift. Words are powerful, and I don't underestimate it. And then okay, so let me go back to what he said. So he talked about the conscious mind. He talked about the subconscious mind, right? The conscious mind is the intentional mind. It's the things that we think, the possibilities that we have, the places that we want to go, the dreams that we have. That's why they say like dream big, right? And then your subconscious mind takes whatever your conscious mind thinks and then processes it. Then it starts becoming a part of you. So the things you think and the things you believe, your subconscious mind starts to make a thing of it, starts to process it and start to develop it. And over time, if you do that long enough, you're gonna attain, you're gonna achieve, you're gonna reach everything you set yourself for. You're gonna do it.